Hey everyone, welcome to the Simplify LLC channel. If you're thinking about starting an LLC in Michigan, then you're in the right place. Today we'll walk you through the entire process step by step so that you can get your business up and running without any confusion. And before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you never miss a new video with us. So why should you even bother forming an LLC? Well, an LLC is one of the best ways to protect yourself as a business owner. If your business ever faces legal trouble, then an LLC keeps your personal assets like your car, house, and savings safe. Plus, it gives you tax flexibility and makes your business look more credible to customers and partners. Whether you're launching a brand new business or making your side hustle official, forming an LLC in Michigan is a very smart move. Now, first things first, you need a name for your LLC. But before you get too attached to one, make sure it follows Michigan's rules. Your name must include Limited Liability Company, LLC, or L.LC. And you can't use words like corporation, incorporated, or anything that can make it sound like a government agency. The name also has to be unique, so check the Michigan Business Entity Database to see if it's available. If you find the perfect name but aren't quite ready to register, you can reserve it for up to 6 months for a $25 fee. Now, every Michigan LLC needs a registered agent. This is the person or company responsible for receiving official documents on behalf of your business. You can either be your own registered agent if you have a physical address in Michigan and are available during business hours, or you can hire a professional registered agent service. These services usually charge between $49 to $299 per year, but they make sure that you never miss an important document. Now it's time to make things official. To form your LLC, you will need to file the Articles of Organization with the Michigan Department of Licensing and Regulatory Affairs, or LARA for short. You can file online, by mail, or in person. The standard filing fee is $50, but if you're in a hurry, expedited processing is available for an extra fee. And once approved, congrats, your LLC is now legally recognized. Michigan doesn't legally require you to have an operating agreement, but trust me, it is a good idea to have one. This document lays out the rules for how your LLC will run. It covers things like who owns what percentage of the company, how profits and losses are divided, and what happens if a member leaves or a new one joins. Having this agreement in place can save you from major headaches down the road. Next up, you'll need an Employer Identification Number, or EIN. This is from the IRS. This is basically a social security number for your business. You'll need it to open a business bank account, file taxes, and hire employees. The best part, it's completely free. You can apply online at the IRS website and get your EIN instantly. A business bank account keeps your personal and business finances separate, which is super important for protecting your LLC's legal status. To open an account, most banks will ask for your EIN, your Articles of Organization, and possibly your operating agreement. Some banks even offer free business checking accounts, so it's worth shopping around for the best deal. And taxes might not be the most exciting part of running a business, but they are important. The way your LLC is taxed depends on how you set it up. If you're a single member LLC, you'll report your business income on your personal tax return. If you have multiple members, you'll file a partnership return and send K-1 forms to each member. Michigan also allows LLCs to elect S-Corp status, which can help save on self-employment taxes. Depending on what your business does, you may need to register for state sales tax or employer taxes. The Michigan Department of Treasury has all the details, so be sure to check what applies to your business. To keep your LLC in good standing, Michigan requires you to file an annual report. This is due by February 15th each year, and it costs $25 to file. You can submit it online or by mail, but if you miss the deadline, your LLC could fall out of good standing or even be dissolved. So mark your calendar and don't forget. The starting an LLC might seem like a lot, but you don't have to do it alone. Simplify LLC is here to make the process super easy for you. We can help with checking your business name, filing your paperwork, serving as your registered agent, and keeping track of important deadlines like your annual report. And that is a wrap. Now you know exactly how to start an LLC in Michigan step by step. If you're ready to get started, head over to simplifyllc.com for more detailed guides and services that make the process stress-free. And before you go, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.